Hey guys, welcome to another video. For today's video, we are going to be looking at building a gaming PC for under 10,000 Rand. All components are from the second-hand market, and we are going to review what components I've managed to find, the build, gaming benchmarks. I'm going to be putting it to the test with Warzone and Forza 5. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and hope you enjoy. Okay, so for this build, I managed to find a Intel i5 10400F CPU, 4.3 GHz max boost clock, 6-core 12-thread CPU. For the motherboard, a MSI B460M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi motherboard with built-in Wi-Fi, 16 gigs DDR4, 2400 MHz RAM, an MSI GTX 1050 Ti gaming X 4GB graphics card, crucial SSD, 120 gig Western Digital WD Blue, 1TB hard drive, a Huntkey 600 watt power supply, a gaming case, a simple budget gaming case, and the Gamdias fan kit with remote and controller. Okay, so if you had to buy all the components new, for the CPU, 2,610 Rand. For the motherboard, 1,299 Rand. For 16 gigs DDR4, 2,400 MHz RAM, dual channel, 1,299 Rand. The GTX 1050 Ti Gaming X, 4,160 Rand. To buy it new, the SSD, 310 Rand. The Western Digital 1TB hard drive, 749 Rand. Huntkey 600 watt power supply, 979 Rand. The cheapest gaming case I can find, 599 Rand. And the fan kit, 599 Rand. So total cost of build, new, 12,504 Rand. Second hand, what I've managed to find the parts for, totaling 8,509 Rand. So in comparison, you'd save about 5,000 Rand if you bought it off the second-hand market. Obviously, it depends on what you can find. So some of the components you'll be able to find cheaper than this, some of them you won't. And it depends on the time and when people are actually selling things. So let's have a look at the build and see how it came out.